Can Pythagorean triples have decimal sides? Have you ever wondered if Pythagorean triples can include decimal sides? This question takes us into the fascinating world of geometry, specifically the Pythagorean theorem. Let's break it down together. Pythagorean triples are sets of three positive integers that satisfy the equation from the Pythagorean theorem. This theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. In simpler terms, if you have three numbers, a b and c, they form a Pythagorean triple if a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Classic examples include the triples 3, 4, 5 and 5, 12, 13. Now here is the key point. By definition, Pythagorean triples must consist of whole numbers. This means they cannot include decimals or fractions. If you have a right triangle with sides that are not whole numbers, like 1, 1, and the square root of 2, those sides do not form a Pythagorean triple. They still satisfy the Pythagorean theorem, but they fall outside the special category of triples. Why are Pythagorean triples so important? They provide exact integer solutions, making calculations and geometric constructions much easier. You can even scale a Pythagorean triple by multiplying all sides by the same positive integer. For instance, if you take the triple 3, 4, 5 and multiply each side by 2, you get 6, 10, which is another Pythagorean triple. However, if you multiply by a decimal or fraction, you will no longer have a Pythagorean triple, as the result will not be whole numbers. In summary, Pythagorean triples must consist of integer sides. While right triangles can have decimal or fractional sides and still satisfy the Pythagorean theorem, they do not qualify as Pythagorean triples. Understanding this distinction helps clarify important concepts in geometry related to right triangles and their side lengths. So, the answer to our question is clear. Pythagorean triples cannot have decimal sides.